Oh, I got marked down for like taking a left, going into a left turn, a blind left turn, and sitting on the right hand side of the lane rather than the left. Like, no, there's technically nothing wrong with that, but on a technicality, it was like, yeah, you're supposed to be on the left because, you know, oncoming traffic is coming this way, and if they come over the line a little bit, they're going to hit straight into you, that kind of stuff. I'm like, yeah, it's totally understandable, man. Like, I understand why you marked me down, but otherwise he was like, to be honest, man, you drive perfect. Like, and I was like, ah, thank you. And me being humble, I was just like, hey, it wasn't just me, it was my instructor. I had a awesome instructor for my bike, like doing just lessons and stuff. Awesome guy, Simon, I can't remember his last name, but he yeah, he's an awesome instructor. Can't praise him high enough. He set me up for like a really good like foundation for riding, essentially, because he taught me how to counter steer and all that kind of stuff, which was awesome. Which was really awesome. And yeah, I haven't been in touch with him. I should stay in touch with him, but I know it's kind of, that was my bad. But yeah, his help kind of kept me from doing anything stupid. Cool. He got a little bit of pictures. Oh, he's riding his bicycle. Go, go, go. You're not sitting at the back. Mate, needs to chill. This f***ing idiot. He is doing some very stupid things that I would not recommend anyone do, just in general, and especially on a night ride. Holy crap. I'm just gonna stay back just in case, because it is a very fucking sharp turn to be doing. Going to a good school, 100% worth it, or finding a good company that does it, give you the offer to, you know, study and stuff. Straight. So there'll be so we're going up the coast, yeah? Yeah. So as soon as we go up the coast, there'll be that long sweeping left turn. That first roundabout, take a left, because then you'll be, just keep to the coast as much as possible. Because you can go straight, but it's kind of shit road. Yeah. But yeah, just as long as you keep the coast to your left, you'll be good.
Oh, alright. No, so I'm trying to remember, sorry.
From here?
Yeah, we turn left to go around.
Yep.
We turn left at the end.
Yep.
And then it goes around and it's just dead straight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's literally dead straight until you meet the T-junction to the coast.
Go down, turn right, go to North Mall, stop, take a photo, and then fuck off.
Yeah, we can do that. Street Fighter, my 20. Yeah, he's got the stealth, so I'm just like, if I go any more carbon on this, it loses its essence. But one thing I do want to do is the carbon silver side panels, and I think that'll tie up the two-tone look pretty nicely. And I think that might be it for carbon for this bike, because I don't want to throw too much money at carbon, because I don't want to end up making it look too much like with too much carbon where it becomes distasteful. 100% leave a comment down in the description. Let me know as to what ideas I can do in modding sense to the bike, because yeah, I definitely don't know everything like when it comes to what I can and do to the bike, but also I don't want to do too much. I want to keep it tasteful. I want to keep the essence of that red, because I know the radiator hose, there's a red radiator hose and it looks sexy, so I'm looking into that at the moment. But I don't know, like I said, comment, have a chat. I always respond to every comment as best as I can. I usually take about, I don't know, a day or two to respond. Well, not even a day, it's literally 24 hours, because I usually get the notification that I got a message and I'll be like, oh cool, someone wants to yap, and I'm happy to yap, essentially, always. Yeah, he's had enough of being at the back, don't blame him. It's too much bike for being at the back. And also he doesn't like keeping it in street mode, so he finds it very annoying. That I do agree with. Street mode on the Street Fighter, like especially the default, like everything on safeties and detuned, it's painful, because it likes being, I don't know how to explain it. The engine just becomes very jerky. Alright, looks like we're going up to up the coast to another spot. And I believe we're going for some kebabs or something. That R6. I think I might have to get myself an R6 sometime, because I don't know, ever since I got my R6, I wish I never got rid of it, but I knew at the time I couldn't afford to own an R6 as well as an 899 at the same time. I couldn't manage the payment, like the insurance payment, because 899 just bumped up my premium like crazy. Would you look at that, a rose between two thorns.
Oh, fucking so cute!
That's why I said rose between two thorns.
Flashing me by any chance?
Hey?
Are you flashing me at any point?
No, I was f***ing around with my high beams.
Okay, cool. I was like, is he fucking flashing me? What's going on?
Nah. I was just wanting to light up the whole thing, but then I was like, you know what? Probably not a good idea to keep them on.
Yeah.
If you want. Fill yours first. I mean, if you're filling yours up as well, then, because I'm pretty sure I'm about half tank. Oh, hold up. Just as I say that, the light popped on.
The light comes on? You're timing me.
Look at you. With your ladies' intuition and all that jazz. Did it again, didn't you? Did you hit neutral? Okay.